Hi ATPF families, I'm Katriel and I am an intern with ATPF. This is the first of 2 videos on how to manage homework in this series. Something that has helped me with managing my homework is printing out my syllabi. Syllabi is the plural of syllabus, and syllabus is what you have to tell you all your assignments for the semester. So I actually have an example of this just so you know what it looks like in case you've never seen a syllabus before. The front page looks like all the rules and office hours so you know when to go see your teachers, or professors in my case. The next page tells you about the assignments you'll be doing that semester, the bigger assignments, not like all of them, or maybe all of them too. It depends on the syllabus. And the course policies and how the class works, and then how the grading works. See? There you go. The third page describes the big assignments and the assignments that are weekly and things like that. And the other side of the page, or the fourth page, tells you when the assignments are due. Now, quick note about the syllabus. I have found that teachers tend to change their homework assignments throughout the semester and when they're due. Not so much the homework assignment itself, but more like when the homework assignment is due. So it is good to check whatever your online platform your school is using to see if they have updated the information on assignments, and also check your grades regularly. So to keep a general idea of what your grades are and keep track of them so you're not just like surprised by your grade every time you see it. And not just to check your grades at the end of the semester, because that's a really bad idea. Fair warning, some teachers do not use Canvas as much as others, and so you should rely on the syllabus way more for some classes than for other classes. Although make sure you're always relying on the syllabus for every class, if you have one. And some classes don't give you a syllabus, especially in high school, but in college, at least at Westmont College, you should have a syllabus for every class. The second life lesson I'd like to teach you today is to use a monthly schedule. That is something that's really helped me. Put all big assignments, such as tests, projects, in your plan for when to work on the big projects or study for the test, for the whole school term on the schedule. So the reason I suggest this is because it is very helpful to be able to see, especially for big assignments, when they are due ahead of time so that you can plan to start working on them and start working on them ahead of time. For really big assignments, I would say start looking at them a month ahead of time, and maybe depending on how big the assignment is, start working on them a month ahead of time too. And I would say do not start a big assignment any later than 2 weeks. And to be honest, I have not done very well at that myself. I have been known to procrastinate. That is not one of my strong suits, but I am working on that, and I am learning that it is good to turn in assignments if you're going to ask the teacher to edit it or help you out with an assignment. Don't ask any later than a few days right before the assignment's due, because if you do, the teacher will feel very disrespected and will probably not help you, and you will be very stuck and left to rely on anyone who feels like they have compassion on you or want to help you, which may not be that many people. In general, try not to ask questions later than a week before the assignment is due, and that will show the teachers that you're really trying hard, and the professors that you're really trying hard, and that you are trying to put in good work, and that you're planning well. And if you have a question, feel free to ask your teacher. There will be points, probably, especially with bad planning and mistakes, where you cannot do that. Just do the best with what you can and ask people who are willing to help you, such as parents or siblings if you have any. Try to ask them no later than a day before your assignment's due. And also don't ask any not close friends. If you're gonna ask a friend, make sure your friend's really close. Now I wanna end with a question. What are some strategies you use or are thinking about using to manage your homework? Also, another question, what are some strategies you liked from this video? All right, thank you. I hope you have a great day.